RibeSkin CO2 Carboxy Combo is a non-invasive therapy, and all you need is a nice and simple topical application over the skin. Let me show you details about the procedure step by step. Before you start, cleanse the skin. It is the first CO2 carboxy product that is non-invasive procedure, not an injecting procedure. For the past years, since 2007, there had been no reported side effects, and it is certified with CPMP in Europe and FDA in US, meaning it is safe and the quality is assured. And look at the size. They're in bulk, which means it will be very cost efficient for professionals and higher quality service will be available. It contains higher concentration of CO2 than other products in mass market, and this will enhance the blood circulation of your skin, making it into a clearer and brighter one. Okay, let's look into this product now. So, this is the CO2 gel looking like a shampoo bottle. The RibeSkin CO2 Carboxy Combo has a similar effect which we call a pore effect. And it improves the whole blood circulation only from applying on the skin surface. When the CO2 gel and sheet get in contact, large amount of CO2 gas is generated, causing a rapid increase of the carbon dioxide concentration. The hemoglobins in our blood will then start releasing corresponding amount of oxygen in order to lessen the intensity of the increased CO2. This exchanging process of CO2 and O2 is basically what happens when you do the aerobic exercise. So this enhances the blood circulation and the overall metabolism is promoted too. The more CO2 into your skin, the better aerobic exercise effect you get. This sheet looks so plain, but is so smart. Not only because it is easy to use and strong, but also because it plays its role as a shield. It stops the CO2 gas from escaping and makes sure the gas is penetrated into the skin without losing a bit of it. Since there are so many great effects you can get without irritating your skin, clinics are combining this with various other procedures including lipolysis, laser therapy, peeling, mesotherapy, and post-delivery skin treatment to maximize the effect of the final outcome. Put the gel over the skin all around the face and neck. Apply a thick layer of a gel on forehead and chin area. And apply a thin layer of the gel on the rather thin and sensitive areas such as cheeks, temples, and around the eyes and lip. What to do next is to place the sheet over the face where the gel is applied and massage for 5 minutes by giving it a gentle pressure. And generate CO2 in all parts. If you give a lymph massage during this procedure, this will maximize the effect. If you press the sheet, do you hear this? This is the sound of CO2 being generated. Awesome, isn't it? Now give a gentle pressure for 5 minutes. And then leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. If you want extra lifting effect, use the bandage. Cover the area with a dry gauze first, then put the bandage along the face line tightly for an extra lifting. After 15 to 20 minutes of incubation time, you take off the sheet and you see some redness. Don't worry, since it's a good thing. The redness means the procedure went perfectly well. I'll come back to this point later again. Once the sheet is taken off, wipe off the remaining gel with the sponges and warm towel. So, what are the effects from the RibeSkin CO2 Carboxy Combo? Firstly, it has a great lifting and contouring effect since the metabolism and protein synthesis are promoted. Secondly, it has a great effect on the brightening of the skin tone, and this is from the enhanced blood circulation. Thirdly, pore management. The waste will be discharged and you will keep the pores contracted. Fourthly, relief of swells and bruises that could have been caused from various cosmetic procedures. The fifth point will be the exfoliating effect. This will dissolve impurities and dead skin cells, keeping your skin ultra soft and clean. Because this is not a direct injection, some of you might have doubts about the effects this can show. Redness is one of the common outcomes, but it does not mean your skin is irritated. The redness is due to the pore effect, where the large amount of CO2 increases the partial pressure of the oxygen and the overall blood circulation. You will see more redness on those parts with poor circulation of the fluids. This is how your face turns red after an aerobic workout. Gentle drainage massages with constant pressure and strength will encourage movement of the lymph fluids. Certain energy will be generated during this process, which may cause the redness on your skin. This is totally normal. Shows the fact that the procedure had been effective. The redness will disappear within 1 to 2 hours. Compared to other carboxy products in the market, RibeSkin CO2 Carboxy is 1. Cost-effective with bulk sizes available for 50 treatments or 25 treatments. 2. For dermatological professionals with a higher concentration of sodium carbonate that generates CO2. 3. Consists of a facial sheet that is specially designed for a full neck coverage. 4. Available with a roll sheet that can be cut up for customized shapes and sizes. 5. Available with a body roll sheet that is particularly developed for body treatments. Recently, there are so many copies of RibeSkin CO2 Carboxy Combo, but you must remember that this is the first and only bulk-sized CO2 therapy product that is available for our dear professionals. You must check if the product is the right RibeSkin CO2 Carboxy Combo that is certified in EU, US, and South Korea. Otherwise, you can be one of the victims who suffer from side effects from using uncertified copycat products.